Welcome to Brain Vision.
This is problem number 18 of the Stewart Calculus 8th edition, section 2.8. Make a careful sketch of the graph of f, and below it sketch the graph of f prime in the same manner as in exercises 4 through 11. Can you guess a formula for f prime of x from its graph? And the function f is f of x equals ln of x. So we can plot ln of x as we are familiar with this function. It has this shape where as x approaches negative infinity, or as x approaches 0 from the right, the function approaches negative infinity. As x approaches infinity, the function approaches infinity. And another interesting point is that as at x equals 1, the function ln of x equals 0. So we can use this information to determine what the graph of f prime should look like. And we do that by using the slopes of the tangent lines at every point of this function. So one of the easier ones to see is that, let's say this is the slope of the tangent line at this point. As we get closer and closer to x is infinity, this function appears to level off. The slopes decrease and approach 0. So we can show that here, that eventually the slopes may decrease towards 0. And what we see here going towards x is 0 from the right. We see that the slopes become more and more steep, more and more negative, or more and more positive. And therefore, as x approaches 0 from the right, this function will be going towards positive infinity. And if we were to exactly figure out what the slope is here at x equals 0, or at x equals 1, we end up determining that the slope is indeed 1 here at x equals 1. So at x equals 1, the slope is 1. That's the point 1, 1. And that's a characteristic point here that the function will need to go through. So this is the general shape of what f prime should look like. And if we were to take a guess, this function is similar to the function 1 over x, meaning that we expect the derivative of ln of x to be similar to this formula, 1 over x. And it is indeed true. The derivative of ln x is 1 over x. And so we were able to determine the shape of the derivative by using the slopes of the tangent lines at each of the points of this function f equals ln of x.